Identifix versus Alldata. Which diagnostics tool is better for auto repair shops? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Identifix and Alldata, two of the most trusted names in automotive diagnostics and repair information. If you're running an auto repair shop or just turning wrenches in your own garage, the right software can save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. So which one should you choose? Well, we'll kick things off by looking at what is Identifix. Identifix is a diagnostics and repair platform that helps mechanics solve vehicle issues faster using a huge database of real-world fixes. Its main product, Direct Hit, gives you access to confirmed fixes, wiring diagrams, and labor times, OE service info, and more, all contributed by professional techs. It's built to help you diagnose faster and avoid unnecessary guesswork. Now, what is Alldata? Alldata is a powerhouse when it comes onto OEM repair information. Used by thousands of repair shops across the US, Alldata offers factory-correct repair procedures, wiring diagrams, TSBs, recalls, and even OEM schematics straight from the manufacturer. Think of it as a digital factory repair manual for every make and model. Now let's explore some key differences of both platforms. For instance, their primary focus. When it comes on to Identifix, it focuses on real-world fixes, fast diagnostics, and expert tech advice, while Alldata, on the other hand, prioritizes OEM accuracy and provides official repair procedures and factory specs. And if we were to break down their features, starting with Identifix, it offers real-world confirmed fixes, interactive wiring diagrams, diagnostics trouble code search, hotline access to ASE certified master techs, labor guide, and repair procedures, while Alldata, on the other hand, offers OEM repair procedures, factory wiring diagrams, TSBs and recalls, interactive schematics, and integrated estimating tools with Alldata managed. And if we were to compare them via ease of use, Alldata is more comprehensive and technical and is better for in-depth repairs or OE procedures, while Identifix, on the other hand, is fast and intuitive and designed to speed up diagnostics. Now, if we were to compare their pricing, starting with Identifix, you can see right here that their pricing starts off at Direct Hit DIY. You can get started for $24.99 per month, and it can go up to $219 per month, as you can see right there. Now let's check out the pricing for Alldata. When it comes on to Alldata, the pricing varies based on modules. As you can see right here, you have the collision module, which would be for $239 per month. You also have the repair module, which would be for $199 per month. So it varies, as you can see right there, depending on which one of the modules you like to choose. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.